Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to learn about data binding. So, do you know about data binding? Data binding, how many types of data bindings we have? We have two types of data bindings. One-way data binding and two-way data binding. What is one-way data binding? Here, the data binding is very useful and powerful feature used in software development technologies. It acts as a bridge between the view and the business logic. Here we can write business logic within the model. And this AngularJS follows two-way data binding model. Okay. So what is data binding? Data binding is a very useful and powerful feature used in software development technologies. It acts as a bridge between view and business logic, means view and model. And in AngularJS, we are following two-way data binding. First, we will see what is one-way data binding. Then we will see two-way data binding. What is one-way data binding? You can see in this figure, we have view and model. The one-way data binding is an approach where a value is taken from the data model and inserted into HTML element. There is no way to update model from view. There is no update model from view. Model to view, there is no update. It is used in classical template systems. The systems bind data in only one direction. The system binds the data in only one direction. Only in one direction. See, only in one direction. Okay, not both the directions. Okay, so that is one-way data binding. Coming to two-way data binding, you can see the diagram here. Two-way data binding. Okay, model and view. Data binding in Angular applications is the automatic synchronization of the data between the model and view components. Automatic synchronization between model and view. Automatic synchronization between model and view. The data binding lets you treat the model as a single source of the truth in your application. Model as a single source of truth in your application. The view is a projection of the model at all times. View is the projection of the model at all times. If the model is changed, then the view reflects the change and vice versa. That means in the model, the data is changed, then it reflects on the view. Okay, there also we can see the data will be changed. Coming to in view, if you are trying to change anything, it will reflect on the model also. That is called two-way data binding. Okay, so here in between the view and model, the continuous update model is single source of the truth. If changes to the view updates the model, if changes to the model updates the view. So that is happening in both sides. Okay, that is a two-way data binding. So in one-way data binding, the system binds data in only one direction. Coming to two-way data binding, so it will be in two sides. Okay, that is also automatic projection. Okay, if you do any changes in the model, that reflects on the view. If you are changing anything in the view, then it reflects on the model. Okay, that is continuous projection. So that is the difference between one-way data binding and two-way data binding in AngularJS. Okay, that is the data binding in AngularJS. And here AngularJS follows what? Two-way data binding. Okay, we'll show you an example for better understanding. We'll show the examples. Right. Open Notepad. So here I'm going to show you the binding. I'm taking with one directive attribute that is called ng-model directive attribute and expression. Okay, I'm going to show you with the string value. I'm going to display the name. Okay, right. HTML head script tag we need to take script script, then src equal to need to load AngularJS file angular.js offline OMD stl. So here we need to write head tag. Okay, then close that head tag. Next, write body tag. Within the body, so then close that body tag. Within the body, take one div tag. Okay, so within that div we need to initialize Angular framework by using ng-app attribute. Okay, so I'm going to give empty because I'm using ng-init attribute to initialize the variable values. So I'm going to take one first name equal to in the single quotation Sivakumar. Okay, for displaying the data, I'm taking one paragraph tag. In that, I'm asking enter name. Okay, so here I'm taking one input field, text field, input type equal to text, or directly you can take input. Default it is text only, and we are using the extra attribute HTML extra attribute to represent the model data ng-model equal to the name you can give, first name. Okay, next what I'm trying to do here, I'm going to display that name. Again, I'm taking one paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag, I'm going to display whatever the data you entered. So your name is so I'm using power braces expression tag to display the data. What is the model data? Model data name, what we have given, first name, right? That I can give here so that I can display the data. So close the div tag, then close HTML. Alright, now I'm going to save this program, file, save as. So we already created Angular example folder name. Here I'm going to save, giving name of that file. Save with dot extension, dot HTML extension. So enter name, bind example with the string value something, HTML. Save the program. Now you can go to that folder, desktop, AngularJS examples. So what example we have created here? Bind with the string. Right click, open with Chrome browser. Now you can see the output. See whatever data first FIRST name is, so spelling mistake you can observe, FIRST, first name. Okay, save, then refresh here. ng-init first name equal to, here it is capital letter, right? FIRSTNME, right? Save, refresh. Okay, so here we initialize the string value, initialize the string value here, spelling mistake NAME. So that is HTML, right? Even no problem. So here we have initialized the string value first name by using ng-init attribute. Then we have taken one text field. We have given ng model to represent model data. We have given name for that ng model, that is first name. So while you are entering anything in this field, that should reflect on here. Okay, that means what? Here the first name is bound with, this expression is bound with ng model. Okay, so here we can see the data binding expression. I think you understand, right? So you can see here from model, so reflected here. So that's what I'm trying to explain. Okay, we will see another example. Okay, by using another attribute, not ng-init attribute, we will see data-ng-init attribute. Okay, same thing. I'm going to change here. So ng-app, here I am using data-ng-init. Here we have seen string value, right? Now we can see integer values. Quantity equal to, next separate with semicolon. Okay, next price equal to, now so directly we are initializing it, that will show on the website, means web page. you are trying to enter something on the text field, that should display on the web page, right? For doing that one, we need to create text fields. So enter quantity, enter price and all. Okay, so now you can see here quantity. For this we take one input field, input type equal to, now we are going to take number type only, right? Okay, so number, input type number. Then to represent model, ng hyphen model equal to quantity. Then in this way we are going to take price also from the input field. Quantity price we are going to enter. Okay, price, put type number, ng model, model name is what, price. Okay, same quantity and price, quantity and price. So you have initialized, the data will appear on the text fields. Now what I'm doing, I'm performing one operation, that means quantity into price, product we need to display. So I'm taking one paragraph tag. Next, so I want to display the text in the bold, so I'm taking this one, total in rupees, total in hours, right? Here I'm using double floor braces to display the data. Quantity into price, right? So that I'm going to save file, save as bind with number type dot html, save. Now go to in that folder, bind with the number type, right click, open with Chrome browser. Here default we have given what, so values, quantity 3 rupees, price 3 items and price is 20 rupees, so 3 into 20 60 we displayed. And if I'm trying to change here something, that will affect on the view also, two-way data, model to view, view to model. So if I'm trying to change the data here, 4 items, each 4 pens, each pen value is 10 rupees, now we are getting 40. See, that means what we are here we can observe two-way data binding, right? Here two text fields bound together. Here these two text fields are bound together with ng model directive, right? So in this way we can do two-way data binding. Okay, so wherever you are using ng-model attribute means there will be two-way data binding will be there. All right. Okay, these are the two examples. You see. So next we will see the string, array and object, how we can write the type of values in AngularJS. Okay, right. Okay, thanks for listening this session. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.